Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and I actually wanted to show you a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This actually, if you walk around, it's actually a pretty sharp Jeep. It's got really nice rims on here. Let me go back on the front and show you the winch that is on here. And you just unstrap two straps, one on each side. That'll pop your hood up. But here it is with the Wrangler Unlimited. Let me back up, show you the soft top on this. I'll walk around the back and then we'll go inside and I'll show you the inside of this. If you want something to have some fun in, this is going to be a good choice for you to use. You can see the back latch will open right there. Beautiful rims and tires on this. So let me back up just a little bit so you can see everything. Now let me go ahead and I'll open the back up. It's a gray, two-tone gray cloth interior. See, the carpet appears to be in good shape. There's your door panel. Now let me show you up overhead. There's your stereo system that is in this. Show you the top. And there's plenty of storage space right back here behind that back seat. So I'll go ahead and shut this. Show you the running boards. Let's go ahead and hop up in here. Show you a view of the inside. Front door panel. Now we'll swing inside. Now I'll go ahead and close the door. Show you what it looks like. Actually, I'll go ahead and start it up. Now this is a 6-speed standard shift. And there is your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive unit. Now let me back up and I'll show you the steering wheel. Very nice, comfortable feel on the wheel. And zoom in here, and I hope that you can see the miles on this. As of the recording of this video is 109,251 miles. But your unlock right here, your locking mechanism. But I'll go over here and I'll show you the center console area. Stereo CD player. Does have the availability for Bluetooth for your phone right here. And scroll down. There's your heating cooling controls. 2 cup holders. This does open up storage area. Let me turn around and I'll give you the view up overhead. But there's your stereo speakers going into your back seat. Like I said, there is very ample room in behind your back seat. But that's it. Actually, this is a pretty cool Jeep. Let me go ahead and turn this thing off. I'm going to hop back outside. Sorry about the shaky video. But like I said, we've got this 2008. We do have financing options available right here. So we've got banks that are eager to loan money right now. So you don't have to have perfect credit. We've got a lot of people in with no money down. So if you would like to come up, take a look at this Wrangler, take it for a test drive, we welcome you to do that. And show you the light bar that is up overhead. And your lights right there on both sides. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call, area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.